Hello, my name's Curtis and you're watching the Playing with Art show. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how I made a large work table out of a piece of plywood and some cardboard boxes. I'm also going to show you how I covered the surface using a mixed media technique with paper and paint. This table has gone through a few iterations. The last version was tiled with collage paper, which I made out of acrylic paint and inkjet paper. In this video, I'm going to show you a layered textured surface that I added on top of the collage paper. The legs of the table are actually made from cardboard boxes that I purchased. They were 12 by 12 by 30 or 40 inches, and I just cut them down to the height that I wanted. I added some extra interior structure to make them a little bit stronger. For the new finish, I started by drizzling some white latex primer paint. And latex paint I found just has this slight stickiness that makes it drizzle a lot easier than acrylic. And here I'm trying to get kind of a swirly, drippy, and then splattery look. After I put down quite a bit of paint, I'm going back with a piece of paper and gently pressing and lifting to create more of a flat, textured pattern, and also to transfer the lines and the splatters multiple times to create more of a texture that covers the entire surface. Based on my previous desk project, I thought maybe just one white layer would be enough to make it look complete, but it didn't feel right, so I decided just to keep adding layers and see what happened. For the next layer, I mixed a combination of black acrylic paint and water into a real liquidy consistency and dripped and drizzled that over the entire surface. I then went in with my gloves and just real lightly brushed the surface to get some more streaky and distributed shapes across the panel. For the next layer, I decided to add more white on top of the black to lighten it up. So I'm just using the same technique as before, drizzling the white paint and using paper to create the pattern across the entire surface. I then buff it out with the gloves to create a nice white, soft surface. This last layer was the most fun. I cut up a whole bunch of letters from magazines and then put down a layer of watered down Modpodge and then sprinkled the letters across the entire surface. Once that was dry, I did 2 coats of full strength matte finish Modpodge to finish the project.